Hi guys, it's Brendan from the Harbor View. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to do a little at-home mixology. We're going to make a summer strawberry sangria. First, we're going to cut up this little strawberry here. Be careful, those knives are sharp. Put it in here. Do a little lemon juice. And we'll muddle that one up. I want to get it nice and good. I know the seeds and stuff will get in there, but it's okay. Do some ice next. Alright guys, now we're going to use Stoli Raz and Stoli Orange. We're going to do about 3/4 of an ounce of each, maybe half an ounce, depending on how you want it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's good. Next thing we're going to use is peach schnapps. This is going to be more of your base, so it's less alcohol. 1, 5. Perfect. Alright guys, now we're going to give this a good shake. Now we have this nice big wine glass here. Strain that in there. See that color, guys? That's what you want. Halfway. Next thing you need like a sweet Riesling. It doesn't have to be expensive, mostly cheap usually is what I would use. You want it to be a little sweeter, not so dry. We'll go about 3/4 there. Now personally, I don't like it sweet, so I use soda water to top it off, but you can use Fresca, Sprite, you can use a flavored seltzer. It's really a personal preference, depending on how you like it sweet. We'll top it with soda water. So you can use a fresh thing here. I like to squeeze the fruit in. So we'll get that lemon in there. Squeeze a couple oranges. And get those in there. And you guys have a fresh, summery strawberry sangria. Hope to see you guys soon. Thank you. Pretty good, guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. Hope we'll see you guys soon. Thank you very much.